guys, welcome back. So for this next video we are going to talk about GitHub and how to connect Git to GitHub. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go here and search for GitHub, search GitHub, and hit enter, and we wait for it to load. So it's showing me this because I've already signed in, but if you do not have a GitHub account, go ahead to create a new account, sign up and sign in. Okay, so once you sign in, you are going to get this. You're going to get this interface. So if you notice, GitHub is like a social platform for developers. You can see what other people are working on. You can see the updates from people I'm following. You have people following me and all of that. Okay, so and these are my repository stuff that I've done, and you can even go to my dashboard, like to my homepage, to see more detail about what I've done so far. So come over here and click on this. You see new repository. You create a new repository. Okay, so once you are here, let's say the name of our repository, we can just say my app, so it will kind of rhyme with what we have. So my app is available. You can write a short description, teaching Git and GitHub in build bootcamp camp 2.0. Okay, so public means you want everybody this repository to be accessible to any person on internet. This one, private, means that you only want only you and few selected people to have access to this. Okay, so I'll click on create repository. So GitHub is why I'm waiting for this to create. GitHub is a cloud service. So GitHub is a cloud-based hosting service that helps you manage your Git repository. So what this thing does is, you see whatever we did here in Git is local. Okay, it's not remote. So see it this way, it's just like you taking photos with your camera, and it's local in your gallery. But if you don't push it to Google Photos, what could happen is, if there is any issue with your phone, you are going to lose access to all those beautiful pictures. But if you have it saved up in your Visual Studio Code, in your Google Photo, is going to show, like even if anything happens to your phone, you can always go to your account and pull it up there. So it is a cloud-based platform. So that's how GitHub is. Okay, so now that I have done this, the next thing is to take these steps. So this is the command. To this command, you use it to like link your Git, your local Git, and to this your GitHub. Okay, so then go to my Visual Studio Code, in this my terminal, put it here. So let me explain this. So this is like the link of your code, right? And this is origin. So what this origin means is, it's too long to always be putting, this is too much. So this is like an aka alias for this. So it might not always be origin, you can put it to whatever you want. So what this means is, whatever that is here is something that will be saved here. Okay, so and remote add is like you adding a remote repository. So you're connecting your GitHub repository with this your local repository. So then hit enter, it has added. And the next thing I want to do is to copy this. If you notice, I'm not paying attention to this because we have done this, which have been initialized. We had a index.html here, we initialized, we added, and we did our commit. So let's come over here to copy. So right now we are branching out. So before, what we have, the branch that we are working on is master, but we want to switch it over to main. Okay, so that's why we have this. So if you do not switch it to main and you push with master, what is going to happen is you are going to get a divergence. Okay, you are going to have two branches, one will be master and the other one will be main. Okay, so I hit enter, and you see immediately it's changed from master to main. Okay, so the next thing you do is to git push the final thing to do, and let's go git push. And so this git push, so remember this origin is same thing as this URL. Okay, so you're saying it git push, and they are setting it to push to this link, so I do not have to like put this link again, and I'm pushing main. So whatever that is in my main, and what should be in my main. So let's check before I push, let me check git log. So okay, now it have changed from master to main. Okay, so this is what we have, the whole code, the commits we have in our main. Okay, so that's what we want to push. And another thing I want to mention, okay, I didn't push, so let me just put it. So another thing is this -o flag. So what this -o flag means is setting to upstream. So it means that anytime that you want to push, you do not need to like put origin main. You are setting it up, like let it automatically know that it's going to push on origin main. So moving forward, you can just do git push, and then it pushes whatever you have in your main. So then hit enter. So if it is the first time of using this, it might ask you for your credential because I've done this before, and it's know that it's me, it's connected, so it doesn't need to add me of my credential again. But if it does, just put your username or just click on the button, it will just authenticate and bring you back here. I've done the authentication in the first trial of git teaching git here. Alright, so that's it. And if you go to our GitHub and refresh, we are going to get exactly what we had before in our local repository. So right now we see we have our index.html, we have our index.css, okay, and it's telling us 9 minutes ago. We just pushed now, but it's telling us 9 minutes ago, showing you that is pushing whatever we have locally. So right now what it means is you can work from your home. Maybe you are working at your office, and then you pushed that before you went home, so you can continue, you can pull from here and continue working from where you stop. Okay, so I want to end this video right now. If you have any question, you can come to the group chat and ask me any question, or you can internet is your friend. Okay, so if you complete this, watch the first video and watch the second video, I want you to reach out to me. I have a special gift for you for staying this long, close to 40 minutes. Okay, so that will be that, and see you next time. Thank you.